Okay, moving on to question number 10. It's a question from mixtures and alligations. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. From 20 liters of a 90% milk solution. So you have 200 liters, sorry, not 20. 200 liters of a 90% milk solution. 40 liters of the solution is removed and replaced with an equal quantity of water. So you have 90% milk. Okay, and you're starting with 200. From this, minus 40 is gone and plus 40 water is being added, pure water. And then they're mixing it. So you're getting back 200 again. Now another 50 liters of the resultant solution is removed and replaced with an equal quantity of milk. So this time what is happening? Minus 50 is going, but plus 50 you're getting back milk. Okay. Okay. So you are again getting back your 200. After mixing it properly, another 80 liters, so minus 80 liters of the resulting solution is removed and replaced with an equal quantity of water. So plus 80 liters of water. What will be the quantity of water in the resulting solution? So basically we have to use the replacement formula. However, please remember that the replacement formula that you're going to use is P% into A minus B by A whole power N. In this, whenever B liters are taken out and replaced with something, you have to make sure that whatever is coming back does not contain the percentage of the quantity you're talking about. Let me explain what this means. So if you apply the formula 90% milk into 200 minus 40 is going out by 40 and you're doing it once. You have to make sure that when this 40 is coming back, it does not have the quantity you're representing here. 90% of what? 90% milk. So milk should not be coming. Milk should not be there at all in the coming back of 40. So in this question, 40 is pure water. Therefore, for the first step, you can directly use this formula 90% into 200 minus 40 by 40, because when the 40 liters are put back, it is water. It does not contain milk. Okay, so then what do you get? So you basically get 160. So this is basically 90% into 4. So this is 90% into 4. So anyway, this goes 4 5s are 4 1s are. So 5 minus 1. Right? Oh, my bad. This is by 200. A minus B by A, right? Yeah, it's 200. So 200. So 160 by 200. So this is not 4. Let me take 160 by 200 is 16 by 20, 4 5s are 4 4s are 80%. So this is into 80%. So 8 times this becomes 72%. So this is 72% milk. Obviously, when you're adding water to a concentrated milk, it will become dilute. Now I can't apply the same formula. Why? Because if I write 72% into 200 minus 50 by 200 to the power of 1, the problem is milk is coming back and I'm also having this 72% milk. So if I'm writing this 72%, I can't have milk coming back. So then what I will do is I will write this 72% milk as 28% water. So I will just flip the formula around and I'll write it in terms of water. Now, if I take it in terms of water, you can see that when pure milk is added, milk will not contain any water. Pure milk will not contain any water. That's what we are talking about, right? That's what we assume. So I can now apply the formula. So if I apply the formula now, I'll get 28 into 200 minus 50 is 150 by 200. Again, you're doing it once. So this is how much? 5 4s are, 5 3s are, so 3 4s. So 4 7s are. So this is 21%. So this is 21% water. So which means it is 79% milk. Now, which one should I use? Should I use water form or milk form? Depends on what is being added. If water is being added, I will start with the milk form. So 79% into 200 minus 80 is 120 by 200. Again, you're doing it only once. So 2 10s are, 2 6s are. So this is going to be 7.9 or 79 into 6 by 10. So how much is this? 6 9s are 54, 5, 6 7s are 42, 47, 474 by 10. So basically 47.4 liters. But what is it? By the way, this 47.4%, not liters. Please keep in mind. This is 47.4% what? Milk. Because you started with milk, you'll end with percentage of milk only. Now, what is the question? Please don't mark A blindly. What will be the quantity of water in the resulting solution? So if this is the percentage of milk, then the percentage of water will be 52.6%. That is, you want the quantity. So 52.6 into 200 by 100, because there are 200 liters. So double of this, which will be 105.2, which is option C. If you notice, 47.4 is being given to trap and make students commit that silly error. Should be very careful of what is being asked. Okay.